Here's an intermediate exercise for you. We're going to do 2 note per string 7th arpeggio. So we're going to stick in G, G major. Our first chord is going to be a G major 7 chord. Now, why is this a useful exercise? It's useful for a few reasons. Number one, it's a really good stretch. It gets using your pinky. It puts your fingers across a span of anywhere from 3 to 5 frets. And number two, and it moves you up the fretboard. So often we're playing arpeggios like this because the guitar is built that way, that you can do that. But if you want to get out of an area, arpeggios are a great way to expand your fretboard knowledge, which is the third point, is that these bring about fretboard knowledge expansion because you're no longer just stuck playing things in one spot. You can move around and you start to, here's another point, number 4, you build more relationships between the notes. It's the same as, I mean, it sounds different because of that G string not being a wound G. That's a different matter. So let's go through that one again. And then I'm going to go through all 7 chords in the G major scale. So we have G major 7, G, B, D, F sharp, G, B, D. Technically 3 notes, but I wanted to get the root. My finger fell off, or my thumb rather fell off the back for a second there. A minor 7. 3 frets per stretch. And if you're thinking, it's very pentatonic, you're correct. Because all we did was ditch the 4th note, the 4th degree, in relation to A, which is D. B minor is going to be the same kind of thing. C major 7. Get a little high here, so we're going to bounce over to the 5th string and start on D on the 5th fret for D dominant 7. Nope, that's not in the chord. I watched my hand go there too, but I couldn't stop it. It's a runaway train over here. And then we have E minor 7, back to pentatonic land. And then F sharp minor 7, flat 5. So we have an F sharp, A, C, 3 flat 5, and E. Nope. I played a C sharp. That's it. Ah, I did it again. I'm learning right along with you. C natural. Oh, you can see how much I play that one. So there you have it. I hope that you find this to be helpful. And you can do it in any key you want. I happen to pick G. I like playing it in G because as an exercise, you don't have to worry about open strings. You get a lot of the fretboard. If you play it in C, you have to start on here, on the 3rd fret, because otherwise you're just gonna run out of room. but you can do that. Part of the point of this is to be able to do that. Oh. The cursive fingers wanting to go where they want to go. All right, I'm gonna go. Hope that was good. Go practice that. If you're a beginner guitar player, don't practice that. Go find something else to work on. I've got lots of options like this one right here. And I will see you again real soon, face and all. Take care, everyone. Cheers.